Hi, I am Arindam Mollik and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Audi. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is deleting an element from the array in a specific index. From specific index, how can we delete an element? That's our today's topic. This is part 25. Let's start. This is basically our algorithm for deleting an element from a specific index. We are take a for loop. And what is this pos? Pos means the which position, means which index. We will choose, we will select on which index we want to delete an element. That index is value is basically stored in pos. For an example, if we want to delete the on index number 3, so obviously pos value is 3, same. So I equals to pos I less than n. N is a number of how many number of elements we insert in the array, means how many elements in the array, that is the n I plus plus. Then if the condition is true, then go to the body of for loop. Error of I is assigned with error of I plus 1. After complete the loop, then we decrement the n value. This n value is decremented by 1. Okay, I will show you the tracing of this algorithm. This is our array. For an example, this is an array. Okay. This is an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, fine. Now we select first we select the which index we want to delete. For an example, I choose the pos value as 4, means on the fourth index I like to delete the value, means what is the value of error of 4? 56. So we want to delete the value 56. So that's why I will choose the pos value as 4. Means index is 4. On index 4 we will delete the value. Now what is the value of n? N means how many elements in the array? Total 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equals to 6. Now go to this for loop. For I equals to pos I less than n I plus plus. So I equals to pos. What is the pos value? 4. I equals to 4. I less than n means what is the try to say that? I less than n. What is the I value? 4. N. What is the n value? 6. Check if 4 is less than 6. Yes. If condition is true, then what we perform? Error of I means what is I value? 4. That means error of 4 is assigned with error of 4 plus 1 means error of 5. That means in simple way, error of 5 means fifth index value, a fifth index element is stored on the fourth index element. Basically, it is a overwrite. This thing. Clearly observe that it is very important. Error of I means error of 4 is assigned with error of I plus 1. That means 4 plus 1 means error of 5. What is the error of 5 value? 20. Means this 20 is come here. Means this 56 is just overwrite. 56 is just overwrite. So 20 is stored on the error of 4 now. Okay, fine. Now again increment I means this is over. Increment I become 5 now. 5 is less than 6. Check, 5 is less than 6. I become 5. 5 is less than 6. Yes. Condition, if condition true, then go to the body of for loop. Error of I means error of 5 equals to error of 6 means 5 plus 1. Is there any index number 6 now? No. So this is not valid. Stop here. If you are further going to increment the loop, so I become 6 now. 6 is less than 6. Condition is false. So 4 is stopped. 4 is stopped because this I value is 5. Now if you are incremented, so what is the value of I? 5 to 6 means 5 plus 1. 5 is incremented. So 6 become. I become 6. So 6 is less than, n value is 6. 6 is less than 6. Condition is false. Stop. Then n minus minus. N minus minus. This is a stop here. N minus minus. N value is 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So in n is, when value is now 5. Now n value is 5 now. Now when we are printed same, when we printed our value, concept is same. Okay, fine. Now so basically, so as our n value is 5, our array means array index, because our array index start from 0, so 0 1 2 3 4, how many elements? 5 elements. So 4 is less than 5, yes, but we are not go this fifth index because 5 is less than 5, condition is false. So we are go calculate up to here, means 45 23 34 12 and 20, the up to here we are calculated. Fine. So now how can I print? For printing we are do the same. I equals to 0 next, means I equals to I equals to first 0, so 0 less than n. How many, what is the value of n here? Means what is the value of n now? Means after changing, n value is 5, n value is 5 now, so 0 less than 5, yes. Print the value of AR of 0, AR of 0 is 45, so 45 is printed. Increment I become 1, calculate, 1 is less than 5, yes. AR of I value is 23, 23 is printed. Then increment I value is 2, 2 is less than 5, yes. What is printing the value of AR of 2? What is the value of AR of 2 now? 34, 34, so 34 is printed. Next again increment I become 3 now. What is the value of 3? AR of 3 12, 12 is printed. Increment I become 4 now. 4 is less than 5, yes. What is the value of AR of 4 now? 20, 20 is printed. Increment I become 5, 5 less than 5, no, condition is false, stop. This is a basically how we trace. So basically this is a our final array 45 23 34 12 20. Basically we are escape this fifth index element, stop here. So this is our final array. As it is right or wrong, I will show you on the when I run our C code. So for this, go to our dev C++. This is basically our code for delete the element from the array on specific index. As I will show you, there is a array we will take declare an array of size is 10, I, j, pos, and n. These are 4 variable. We will take the integer data type. Then printf a message that enter number of how many elements you want to store. Scanf percentage d ampersand, take the input from the user. Then we will show you the message of how many means enter the array elements. They are using the for loop, or we will take the input from the array by using scanf function from the user. Same printf enter the index of which you want to delete. Now is which index you want to delete the element. This index is basically you are input the index value. That's why you are write scanf percentage d ampersand pos. You are basically take the input. Now this is our logic. For I equals to pos pi less than n I plus plus error of I equals to error of I plus 1. If this condition is true, go to the and assign. This error of I1 pi plus 1 value is assigned with error of I in minus minus. After deletion, this is the area printed. Click on execute, compile, and run. How many elements? How many elements we will store? 6 elements. Enter the elements 45, 23, 34, 12, 56, 20. Enter the array index. Enter the array index. Now, as we will show you, discuss on the we have selected the index value is 4. So we are same for this run also. Index value is 4. Now, what is the result? 45, 23, 34, 12, 20. Is the matching with our tracing or not? We will check. This. What is the value of AR of 0? 45. What is the value of AR of 1? 23. What is the value of AR of 2? 34. What is the value of AR of 3? 12. What is the value of AR of 4? 20. So this fifth index is top. Same. So our output is perfect as well as tracing, matching with our tracing of the code. Okay. So this is the correct output. That is basically how can I delete an element from the specific index. So I will request you again, please practice the code and then tracing dry run is very important for your clear understanding and clear the concept. That's why more and more tracing is required. In the next video, I will show you how can you merge the two array. Thank you.